Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları, özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello my dear students, today we will learn the 6th unit Prehistoric time, but firstly we will listen and look at this picture, okay?
Listen and number. 1. Look at this beautiful place. You can see large amounts of water. This is the ocean. In the ocean, there are many different plants and animals. There is a world down there in the deep water. 2. Then you can see that mountain that is covered with snow. That mountain is so high that it is very cold up there, and that is why it's always covered with snow. 3. There is also a volcano. The volcano has smoke coming out. This volcano doesn't have lava now, but it could erupt at any time. 4. Now we can also see a piece of land surrounded by water. This is called an island. There are very small islands on our planet, and very large islands like Australia that is a continent in itself. 5. And where you see many trees, this is a forest. Forests are very important for people because they provide us with oxygen and they help clean our air. Forest animals are very beautiful and varied. 6. Then we can also see the desert. This area is very arid, meaning it has very little water. There are different species of animals and plants in this place.
Okay, now let's recheck the answers. For example, the first one is ocean. Ocean is big and blue, but the second one is mountain. Some mountains has covered with snow. The third one is volcano. The volcano consists of ash and some lavas, okay? The fourth one is island. Island covered with a lot of water. Forest. There are a lot of trees consist of the forest. The sixth one in desert. There is no people, there is no land or no tree, okay? Let's check the second part. Okay. We will read and complete the email, okay? Dear Grandma and Grandpa, I just wanted to say hello and tell you about our last vacation. We went to see a lot of different places. First, we went to the beach. Every day we swam in the ocean, okay? Ocean. The first one is ocean. This beach is on an island, okay? Island is on an island. It was so beautiful. One day we took the car and we went to a mountain, a volcano maybe, a volcano, and we had a picnic in the forest near the near the mountain. Okay, let's recheck this one. I'm sorry, this one is not maybe volcano. This one could be mountain. Okay. Yes, this one is mountain. Okay. Mountain. It was so nice. The world has so many beautiful places. I love to travel with Eva, Mom and Dad. Next year, I want to go to the desert, okay, desert, and see the plants and animals that we live there. What did you do? tell me about your trip to Hawaii. Did you see a famous volcano? Volcano? Okay? Bye for now. Let's check the answer again. This is our answer. We swam in the ocean. This beach is on the island. This was so beautiful. One day we took and we went to the mountain. We had a picnic in the forest. The world is so many beautiful places and I want to go to desert and tell me about the volcano, okay? This is our answers for the second part. Let's close this part. Now we will listen, but firstly, please open your student resource book 6A, okay? Please open your student's resource book and we will listen and stick some parts, okay?
Read, listen, and attach the stickers. Welcome to the La Brea Tar Pits in Los Angeles, California. Here, a sticky, thick, black liquid called tar comes out of the ground. It forms pools called tar pits. 40,000 years ago, animals walked into the tar and couldn't escape. Now we can learn about them by looking at their bones. 1. This animal was a Colombian mammoth. It was enormous. It weighed 4,500 kilograms and was 4 meters tall. Its tusks were 3 meters long. The mammoth looked very scary and dangerous, but it was an herbivore. That means that it ate leaves and grass. 2. This animal was an ancient bison. It was 2 meters tall and weighed 900 kilograms. Its horns were 35 centimeters long. It was an herbivore. 3. This animal was a ground sloth. It weighed 1,580 kilograms and was 2 meters tall. Like the mammoth and bison, it was also an herbivore. 4. Can you believe that 40,000 years ago there were camels in Los Angeles, California? It's true. Today we call them extinct camels. They were 4 meters tall. They weighed 590 kilograms. They were herbivores. 5. This animal was a saber-toothed cat. It wasn't very big. It was only 1 meter tall and it weighed 280 kilograms, but it had long, sharp fangs. They were 28 centimeters long. It was a carnivore, which means that it ate meat, so other animals had to be very careful around it. 6. This animal was a short-faced bear. It was much bigger than a modern grizzly bear. It was 3.3 meters tall and weighed 815 kilograms. It was an omnivore, which means it ate both meat and plants.
Okay, now let's check the answer. The first one, let's check for the upside, okay? For example, this is the first one. This is Colombian mammoth and its weight 2,500 kilos. It's height 4 meters tall. In diet, it's herbivore. The second one is, this one is a ground salute. No, it's a bison, I think. It's a bison. The ancient bison, it's really prehistoric time. The third one is ground salute. And the fourth one is ancient camel. The fifth one is saber-toothed cat. It had very long teeth, okay? This special teeth. And this one is, okay. Short-faced bear. This one is short-faced bear, okay? Now let's close this part and we will continue. Yes. We will check and complete this part with past tense, okay? People, blah blah, cooked with fire. People cooked, because it is past tense, okay? People cooked with fire. Let's check this one. This is number 1, because people cooked with fire. Let's check the second one. They slept in tents, okay? They slept in tents. Slept, okay? This is slept, because it is past tense. Let's check the third one. They hunted in groups, okay? They hunted in groups. Okay, they blah blah meat. They ate, because it's past tense again. They ate meat, okay? Let's check. They ate meat. The fourth one, I think this one. Let's check the fifth one. They made, because again it's past tense. They made tools, okay? Tools. They made tools. Let's recheck our picture. Let's recheck. The fifth one. They make tools, okay? Like elephants, teeth. They made a lot of tools, okay? Okay. They painted, okay? They painted in caves, okay? They painted in caves. Let's recheck. Yes, this one. They painted in caves. They colored them, okay? They colored them in prehistoric times. They had pet wolves, okay? Let's recheck. They had pet wolves, okay? They had pet wolf. Let's the eighth one. They wore, because we are arranged for the past tense. That's why we will write wore. They wore clothes. Okay, let's recheck our pictures. They wore clothes. Okay, the eighth one is this one. Okay. Okay, now we will matching. But they lived in villages, okay? They lived in villages. They burned oil lamps like this, okay? They burn oil lamps. They wear jewelry, okay? They wear some jewelry. They carve weapons from bones and antlers, okay? They carve weapons from bones and antlers. And the last one, they hunted mammoths, bisons, and reindeers, okay? These are our answers. Please repeat it. They lived in the villages. They hunted mammoths, bisons, and reindeer. They carved oil lamps, and they wore jewelry. And last one, they burned oil lamps and they hunted some animals. Okay? As we close this part, we will continue. Now, in this part, we will read and give some numbers. Okay? Let's get started. Millions of years ago, this rock, okay, this rock was a part of a tree. This rock, okay, look at it, this is rock, okay? A part of the tree. This is the first one because rock is here, okay? Rock. This rock was a part of tree that grows in the tropical forest, okay? Look at it. These are the tropical forests. It rained, a lot of rain, okay? It rained and there was a flood. Okay, look at it. It rained and there was a flood, okay? It rained and there was a flood. Mud covered the tree. Mud is this one, okay? Mud. This is mud, okay? Mud covered the tree. Later, volcanoes buried it in ash, okay? We will search for a volcano, okay? This part is volcano, yes, you are correct. This part is volcano. And these are ash, okay? This is ash. Because volcanoes create some ash, okay? This one is fourth one. The mud and ash slow it down its decomposition, okay? This one is decomposition because it melts, okay? This one is fifth one and we call it, this part is decomposition, okay? The tree trunk absorbed the minerals from the ground, okay? After many years, the climate changed. The area was hot, dry, desert. Okay, look at it. Look at this place is desert, okay? And this one is the sixth one. Let's check our answers again. Yes, all of them is correct. Look at it. This is the first one because there is a rock. This is the second one because of the flood. This one is third one because of the mud. This one is the fourth one because of the volcano. And this one is fifth one, decomposition. And the last one is desert, okay? Let's close it and we will continue. Yes. Now we will read and matching the words, okay? Now we have seven continents, okay? Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America and South America, okay? The surface of Earth still moving, okay? The surface of Earth still moving. The movement of the tectonic plates causes violent and destructive earthquakes. Okay, the plateau tectonics causes violent and destructive earthquakes, okay? The plateau tectonics is violent and destructive shaking of the surface, okay? And let's check the second one. It's also formed new mountains and volcanoes. 225 million years ago, all around the world, Earth formed one supercontinent called Pangaea, okay? These continents separated, they are separated, okay? Because the Earth's surface was consistently moving, they are consistently moving, they are moving, okay? The plate tectonics is this movement, okay? The plate tectonics is this movement. Yes, check the third one. The supercontinent is at the Pangaea, okay? Let's check our answers, okay? This is the supercontinent. The supercontinent is extra and large the area of land, okay? The continents, what is the definition? Its definition, large areas of land and separated by oceans, okay? Let's check the third one. The third one is violent, the earthquake as violent and destructive shaking of the Earth's surface. This one, the plate tectonics, is the theory of movement and Earth's surface. And the last one, the supercontinent and an extra large area of the land, okay? These are our answers. You can look from the passage, okay? Yes, we look. Volcanoes, continents, earthquakes, plateau tectonics, and supercontinents, okay? Now, we will listen and we will stick from sticker book, okay?
Listen and attach the stickers. Plate tectonics.
The surface of the earth is on the move. Earthquake. Earthquake. Feel the ground shake. The continents are moving. Shake, 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 shake. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. The surface of the earth is on the move. Volcano.
Volcano.
Volcano. Mountain of fire. Erupting lava. Gas and ash. Crash, 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 crash. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. The surface of the earth is on the move.
Okay, now let's check the answer. After the Koros earthquake, feel the ground shake, the continents are moving, and shake, 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 shake. Volcano, volcano. Mount is fire, a lot of fire, okay? Eruption of lava, gas and ash, crash, 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 and crash, okay? Okay, now thank you for listening to me. Goodbye, see you my older students. Thank you.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları, özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.